Hi everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales, the global race for 1 nanometer chips and why yield rates are so important. Computer chips are the brains behind almost every modern device. They power smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, cars, smart TVs, and even artificial intelligence. Every year, chip companies try to build smaller, faster, and more powerful chips. Today, the biggest challenge is creating 1 nanometer chips. Many of the world's largest technology companies are competing to reach this goal. But making the smallest chip is not enough. They also need to make millions of these chips without mistakes. This is why yield rates are just as important as the technology itself. Let's understand this in simple words. A nanometer, nm, is an extremely tiny unit of measurement. 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. That number is hard to imagine, so think about this. A human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. A 1 nanometer feature is incredibly small. Inside every computer chip are billions of tiny electronic switches called transistors. These transistors turn electricity on and off to process information. The smaller the transistors are, the more of them engineers can fit onto a chip. More transistors usually mean a faster and more powerful processor. Smaller chips have many advantages. They can perform more calculations in less time. They use less electricity, which helps smartphones and laptops have longer battery life. They also produce less heat, making devices more efficient. This is why every new generation of processors becomes faster while using less power than the previous one. Making chips this small is incredibly difficult. At this size, engineers are working with objects that are almost as small as atoms. Even the tiniest mistake can cause problems. A tiny speck of dust, a small manufacturing error, or even the movement of electrons in unexpected ways can stop a chip from working properly. As chips become smaller, these problems become much harder to control. Chip factories use a process called lithography. You can think of lithography like drawing tiny electronic roads on a silicon wafer. Instead of using ink, factories use light to create these tiny patterns. For the newest chips, manufacturers use a special technology called extreme ultraviolet (EUV) lithography. This technology uses very short wavelengths of light to create extremely tiny patterns that older machines cannot produce. Without EUV machines, making advanced processors would be almost impossible. During manufacturing, small mistakes can happen. These mistakes are called defects. A defect may be a tiny crack, a misplaced transistor, or a small particle that lands on the chip. Since modern chips contain billions of transistors, even one tiny mistake can stop the chip from working correctly. The smaller the chip becomes, the easier it is for these defects to cause problems. Yield rate is a simple idea. It tells us how many chips work correctly after they're made. Imagine a factory produces 100 chips. If 95 chips work perfectly, the yield rate is 95%. If only 50 chips work, the yield rate is 50%. The higher the yield rate, the better. A high yield rate means the company wastes less money and can sell more chips. Many people think making the smallest chip is enough to win. That is not true. Imagine company A creates a very advanced 1 nanometer chip, but only 40 out of every 100 chips work correctly. Now imagine company B makes slightly larger chips, but 95 out of every 100 work perfectly. Company B can sell many more chips, make more money, and supply more customers. This is why yield rates are so important. A great design is useless if most of the chips fail during production. Building advanced chips costs billions of dollars. Factories use some of the most advanced machines ever created. These machines are extremely expensive. The factories also need very clean rooms where almost no dust is allowed. Workers wear special protective suits to keep tiny particles away from the chips. Even a tiny piece of dust can damage an entire silicon wafer. Because of this, chip manufacturing is one of the most expensive industries in the world. Companies work very hard to reduce mistakes. They use powerful computers and artificial intelligence to monitor the manufacturing process. Special cameras inspect every chip for defects. Robots handle many parts of the production process because they are more precise than humans. Engineers also keep improving the machines and manufacturing methods every year. Even a small improvement in yield rates can save companies millions of dollars. What happens after?